Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're doing a different type of video. Gonna do like a voiceover. Let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, this is round 2 of the Geraldton Motocross. Alright, so coming out of the gate, I kind of bogged down, and I got like 5th. But yeah. First couple of corners I was like stuck behind this kid, but got him eventually. So yeah, here I decided just to charge past him. I wasn't behind him for that long, but got past him and just trying to make my way up. Here I made a pretty big mistake. Just my front wheel washed out of the rut, and then got back up. I think not too many people passed me, and then kept going. Got stuck behind this kid for a while. Just in this jump here, as it was happening, I thought I was gonna land on him. It scared the crap out of me, and I decided to take the inside here. I think I just got past him, and then he got me again, coming down into this corner. Yeah, and then this got me as well. So another person in front of me, but I think we passed these 2 kids in the end. We'll skip to that now. And then yeah, after passing them, I was just stuck behind Reese for like the rest of the race until the very last lap. It was a pretty fun battle. I'll just go over the highlights and yeah. And yeah, right here is where I got him. He, for some reason, decided to go outside and I took inside and kind of cut him off, but I said sorry. And then yeah, the rest of the lap I was just trying to hold him off. I was like kind of trying to catch up to Jed, but I didn't want to push myself like too hard. And then I overjumped that jump. It's hell sketchy, but yeah. Yeah, for some reason here I decided to take the middle, even though there was like no rut or anything. But yeah, I stuck it, so it's alright. And yeah, that was the final lap. I think I got like third or fourth. I think fourth. And yeah, it was an alright race, considering I fell off, but yeah. Alright, on to the next one. Yeah, so with this start I did alright, got good off the gate, and then coming around this corner, I think it's the third one out, and then yeah, up this straight, just powered on. I think what got me past Jed was I just powered on a bit longer, and then this kid here, he just left the whole pack. He's like so good. But yeah, I try to just keep my spot the whole race. Just tried not to do anything silly. Just just try to hold everyone off. So yeah, here's the highlights. Almost lost it there though. It was a bit sketchy. But yeah. And then Reese got me there. I was a bit annoyed, but just try to keep up with him. And then he made a pretty big mistake up here, which you see. Yeah, by now the kid up front has already jumped bung wall and he's already going around the next corner. It's flying. Stuffed that corner up pretty bad. Scuffed it. Alright, this is the last lap. Yeah, this is kind of scuffed this lap, but you'll see why soon. Yeah, that kid was just a lapper. The kid in front was probably already finished by now, but he was so far ahead, all my mates thought I came first, but yeah. Alright, so right here is when I first started like noticing it, and I thought it was just like the chain was slipping or something. And then right here, you just put it into gear, it just lost power, try to click it up, it just died. And then yeah, that's when I knew hit bottom end. And I was like, didn't know what to do. I was like so mad. Try to kick it over, nothing happened. Yeah, and I pushed it off, and then someone yelled, and I didn't know what they said, and then Reese's dad came over, and he was like, quick! Just seen a second. He was like, push it! Push it! So I had to like push it as hard as I could across the finish line. I still didn't come last, so which I was pretty happy about. I think I came like third last or something, and you could hear everyone was cheering for me, and I was just so mad. This wasn't my day. Yeah. I was just so angry.
As long as you push it, mate, you get points. Yeah, so they'll push it.
Didn't really matter that I got points anyway, because we're just gonna now we're just gonna probably leave it in the shed and then fix it up in our own time, and then once it's fixed we'll sell it. Luckily I just got a brand new KX250 that I'll be racing for the rest of the year, so make sure you stay tuned and expect a video of that very soon. I've been breaking it in, and once it's broken in I'll take it out to the track and do my first real ride of it, and I'll let you guys know about my thoughts. And yeah, so now I'm on to bigger and better bikes, so let's go. I'm pretty mad still about the whole, because it was the bottom end too, so it's like $800 or something. So yeah, I'm 90% sure it's blown up. I think that'll be it for me today. Hope you enjoyed, got some entertainment out of my grief, and yeah, so see you in the next one. Yeah, my mates thought I was coming first, but he was just so far ahead I came second. But yeah, alright, see you in the next one. Also, if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing. It would really help me out. Cheers.